All right, guys, we're coming at you with a system review by Johnathan Price here at Down for Sound. So what you do is you send in your system overview, make a quick, try to keep it less than 2 minutes, but I'll go through the video and see what I think about it. All right, let's get this thing fired up.
My name is James Lee. This is my system. I have a Group D6500.
Good battery,
Big 3
excess power,
upgrade.
Big 3 done, good start.
I still have the factory alternator, which is 200 amps.
200 amp factory alternator, so that's pretty substantial for a factory alt.
Bass knob is right there. I have a JVC.
I like it already. I saw a Down for Sound bass knob, so we'll see what amplifier that's connected to. You got a JVC head unit in there?
Head unit. I have another D6500 battery in the back, excess power battery. I have a JP23 version 1. I have a kicker 400.4 to all my doors and tweeters.
Nice. He has substantial electrical for a JP23 version 1.5. Kudos on that for sure.
In my front doors and my back doors, I have power base 6x9s and tweeters.
I'm not familiar with them, but
there's power base 6x9s, power base tweeters in the doors, front doors, and power base 6.5 in the rear doors. This is I got two 12 DBX 12 and a nice custom built speaker box for it.
All right, it looks like he misspoke on the type of subs, but he does have Down for Sound subs to go with that JP23, so good job on that. He's got two DBZ12s on the JP23, so pretty good matchup there, but he could definitely add more power when you get ready. So this is my critique there. It looks like he has a jack and a toolbox in the back, so he's ready to go for whatever.
My next, I am going to upgrade to a JP33 and maybe a Big Man 370 alternator to keep up with the electronics.
Awesome. It looks like he's got it figured out there. So yeah, he wants to upgrade to the JP33, and that's what I had said earlier in the video before I finished it. But he upgrades the power for those subs. He'll definitely get better performance out of them, and it'll be a lot louder. And he already has the electrical for it, especially when he gets the McMahon 370 amp alternator. He'll be golden. Thanks for submitting it for me to give you a couple of tips on, but it looks like you already have it lined out with what I would say. Unless you wanted to upgrade to some Down for Sound mids and highs for your doors to match, you know. I have to throw that in there. So anyway, if you need anything, hit us up, downforsoundshop.com, or if you want to submit your ride for me to take a look at and let you know what I would do to try to improve it a little bit, you can do that by going to the description of this video, and it'll show you exactly how to do that. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. If you need anything, 702-701-9800. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.